command of this flight is Captain Brian Mercy and his co-pilot Pastor Ahmad Fazil and Musa Wahid and Mr. Sajana Shaki. Our flight will take 40 minutes. For your safety, please place your head in the overhead compartment or on the seat in front of you. Please be careful when you open the overhead compartment. For the takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened, caretables are stored and updated around. Passengers are advised that the use of mobile phones, GPS and remote control devices are strictly prohibited. For the use of this electronic device, please refer for advice and certain information may interfere with aircraft system. Finally, we would like to remind you this is not flight with the flight safety. Agan में गिनी वसीले का हिंबोत जिन पुले वसीले का फारगा दफात प्रदान कमचे का सीधे पुलिस पुलिस हम संभाल कमंगा करने ये दें. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, we will now demonstrate the use of safety equipment carried on this aircraft. As the safety procedures on this aircraft may differ from other aircraft, and the window of the drop 4 is exhibited clearly marked with red and white signs and emergency lights along the floor will illuminate whether the vehicle cabin exit. Please take note of the exit nearest to you. किसी ने बताया ना कुछ मध्य बंदी के जिसका सलामती मालूमात कार्ड बनाने बोर्ड पर मुखरी निकाल के डाल देना. You will find a copy of this safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read it carefully before takeoff. अगर कातिल हालत दिमाग में वाला नादिल खामे अगर वैसे हालत जब बहुत दुख होता है वजह से नमक पूरी हालत से दुख होता है मक्का और इम्तियाज